Hello everyone, and today we'll show you how to fly with a pet on American Airlines. First, you need to visit aa.com to access your account, and the link I will leave down below in the description. Enter your username or American Airlines Advantage number and tap Login. Navigate to Special Services and choose Add Carry on Pets. Review the requirements, then tap Agree to continue. Choose your pet's flight, confirm your type, then Submit to add your pet. To fly with your pet, check in by contacting reservations 48 hours before travel. Check in with your pet at the ticket counter at least 3 hours before travel time. Pay the fee required at the counter. After your pet meets the requirements, also you will need to present your pet's health certificate at the counter. So that is how you can actually fly with a pet on American Airlines. And that's pretty much it. Please support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and hit that bell icon to get all the new videos. Thanks for watching and goodbye.